The price of everything is going up in Nigeria. People are suffering. I remember when I was buying fuel for 97 naira, now it's 800 plus, in some places 1,000 naira. I remember 2019, I was buying a bag of water for 120 naira. And yesterday I got a bag of water for 500 naira. Everything is literally going up and people are suffering. If you are making 100,000 naira a month currently in Nigeria, you can't even cover for your basics. And the worst thing is that a whole lot of Nigerians are not even making up to 50,000 naira a month. Many Nigerians are living in abject poverty. And that's the reason why I created this video, where I'll be teaching you 8 predictable ways to make 300,000 naira every month. This video is for persons who are online, people who are offline, people who have a skill, and people who don't have a skill. So if you can see this video, it's for you. You're not paying me any amount of money to teach you this. The video is entirely free. I'm not selling anything to you in the video. I just want to teach you how to make at least 300,000 naira every month. Now, the last time I shared a video like this, a web developer used the content in the video. I was able to make 720,000 naira in 20 days. Now, the first thing you need to do to make 300k every single month is to know your numbers. Now, what I was doing then was very simple, which was I help a business make as much profit as possible and then get a cut. This particular method is for skilled people. So if you acquired skills that can help a business increase their profit, sure, why not? So what I do then was I would help you build your sales funnel, do your designs, run your ads. I will help your business make $1 million naira and then collect 30% of the profits. You make money, I make money, and we all make money, all right? So this involves you helping a business grow, making them money, and collecting a cut. And that's it. If I can help you make $1 million naira, I've made 300k that month. Number 2, everybody has a particular knowledge. And the knowledge you have, someone else is looking for it. As little as if you know how to dress, you can create a fashion course. A whole lot of people don't know how to dress. If you know how to revamp wigs, I've not seen so much courses around that. You can create a course on how to revamp wigs. So what this entails is monetizing your knowledge, creating a course out of what you know. If you are interested in this, I can teach you. All right. So what you need to do is, what people are hailing you for, turn it into a course. Charge 10,000 naira for the course. Sell to 30 people in a month. All you have to do is sell to one person every single day, and you are good to go. 10,000 naira times 30 is 300k. So that's number 2. The third thing you need to do is very, very simple. Affiliate for someone else. Affiliate for someone else. So if you don't fall into category 2, if you don't have a product, you don't have a service, or you don't believe you should be creating a course now, look for people who have a course and affiliate for their course. And I would like to advise that you don't affiliate for any course with less than 50% commission, because you are doing the work, you should be making enough money. So pick a course of 60,000 naira, 50,000, 40,000. So if I'm affiliating for a course of 60k and the commission is 50%, I'm making 30,000 naira per sale. All I need to do is to sell to 10 people in a month. If I sell to one person every 3 days, I'm already making 300k in a month. I know people who are doing 1.2 million every week. Some people are doing 500k a week just with this particular method I just gave to you. Now, the fourth thing you need to do is learn a skill and be good at it. Learn email marketing, learn graphic design, learn web development, learn any skill, learn software development, and look for people who want your services. And what you have to do is now practice outbound marketing. In marketing, we have 2 types: inbound marketing and outbound marketing. Now, inbound marketing is when your customers, they come to you. So I have a particular skill, I have a particular product, people are reaching out to me to pay me. That's inbound. Outbound marketing is when I reach out to my clients, and that involves you knowing your clients. So let's say, for instance, I'm a web designer, which I am. I look at people who need my services, and I send messages to 10 people every day. All you need to do is send 10 cold DMs every single day. And if you can't send 10 cold DMs every day, when you are making not up to 300k, you are very lazy and you deserve to be poor. The least you could do is send 10 cold DMs to 10 people every single day. Get 3 people to be interested. Close 1 person every single day. And if you are pitching something, let's say you are even pitching your course of 10k and 300k. If you are pitching your web design skills, sir, and your profit is 200,000 naira per website, you should be making 6 million naira a month. All you have to do is send cold DMs to 10 people who fit into your target audience. If 3 are interested and you close 1 person, you're already making money. And this particular one can help people who sell their own courses. Reach out to newbies in your industry. If I have an affiliate marketing course, for instance, I could cold DM newbies in the industry who are familiar with my name. They will see it as a privilege for me to DM them, and as a result of that, they will want to get the course. So if you're a course creator, you might want to use this. If it's going to work very well for you to make a whole lot of money. This works very well on Twitter. This works very well on IG. Okay, now let's move to the fifth point. Buy a physical product, buy low and sell high. This is for people who have not done anything online. They don't want to come online. I've counseled a lot of people. They don't want to do anything online. They are not interested. So if you are this kind of person, this can make you 300k every month. Buy low, sell high. Now, I was advising a guy last week. You own a power station. Your power station is nice. You can charge your phone up to 15 times from 0 to 100. Why not buy from your supplier and sell? You don't even need to buy. So all you need to do is ask your supplier how much. Okay, 140,000 naira for this power station. No problem. All you need to do is get persons who are interested in buying and sell it to them for 155,000. So they send 155k to you. You send 140,000 to your supplier. Your supplier does the delivery to them. All you need to do is close. You are not doing any delivery. You close the person pays you 155k. You send 140 to your supplier. You are making what? 15,000 naira. All you need to do is close 20 people in a month. You are in 300,000 naira profit for not owning a product, for not owning a service. And this goes on and on. It doesn't have to be a power station. You can begin with power bank. Nigeria, we're in a situation where everybody needs a power station. Everybody, people are going for solar. So why not close people? Look for content creators. You look for course creators. Look for people who are always online and sell things like this to them. Buy low, sell high. If you don't know how to sell things like this, there are many free YouTube videos out there that will teach you how to sell stuff. Learn how to sell and make your 300 per every single month. Now the next thing you might want to do, which is number 6, is create a subscription service. I give this advice to people a lot. If you have a skill, you need to have people who pay you every single month. For instance, the guy who cuts my hair, I called him one day and I said, "You're not making as much money as you should because you're not doing the right thing." And he was like, "What's the right thing?" I said, "Reach out to people. Stop charging them per hair you cut. Charge them per month." How do I mean? Sir, if you pay me 30,000 a month, I'm going to cut your hair as many times as you want throughout the month. If you close 10 people, you are in 300k every single month. And you know the funny thing, people who pay like this don't usually cut their hair. Max twice a month. Worst case scenario, they will just cut their hair 4 times a month, once a week. And you are in good money. 10 people, you are in 300k. You know the funny thing, you can even close a family, create a family plan. Walk up to a man who is very busy. So I can be coming to your house. I can cut your hair, the hair of your children, for just 50,000 naira a month. As many times as you want me to. I will come to your house, cut everybody's hair, 50,000 naira a month. Most people will key into this. And all you need to do is to close just 6 families. You are in 300k. If you can close up to 20 families, imagine how much money. That's 1 million naira for yourself. Now let's move on to the next. But before I move on to the next, if you are interested in learning from me, if you want me to coach you, if you want me to teach you how to make money online, shoot me a DM on Twitter. My name is Nnamdi on Twitter. And if you are the right person, then we could work together, okay? Now, the 7th one is something everybody is doing, literally everybody, which is becoming a real estate agent. I'm not saying sell land. If you want to, no problem. But if you don't have money currently, one of the things you want to do is plug into this agent community. Begin to help people find hostels. Okay? So you are an undergraduate, you plug people to hostels, you collect your cut. If a hostel is 200k and your cut is 20,000 naira, you need to just close 15 people in a month and you're in 300k profit. Or you could close people to get apartments. But being a real estate agent in Nigeria today will make a lot of money because people want to sleep somewhere. Nobody wants to sleep under the bridge. So this works very, very well. If you are making 50k profit per apartment, you link people up with, you need 6 people to make 300k. If you are making 10,000 naira profit per hostel, you get people to rent. You just need 10 people to make 300k. And the last one, which is the one I love the most, is to sell a membership. Sell membership. Create a home workout gym. Just create a gym. People pay you 15,000 every month. 20 persons subscribe to your gym. You're in 300k. I know a guy that watched my video. In fact, you are going to see a picture of him on the screen. He watched my video. He came up with a tutorial, a jam tutorial. And the last time I asked him, how many people do you have in your tutorial? He said that he averages 80 people. 80 people. If this guy charges them 6,000 naira per person, he should be making 480,000 naira as an undergraduate every single month. That's enough to pay his school fees, cover his basics, and do a lot of things. So you might want to set up a tutorial if you are very knowledgeable. 5,000 naira a month, 60 persons in your tutorial, 300k. As simple as what? That. You are want to do a group coaching online, a closed group coaching. I did it before. When people pay a particular amount of money, you train all of them every single month. As little as 10,000 naira, 30 persons in your group coaching, you are making 300,000 naira a month. Now, one thing I want you to realize is that I've been able to teach you a lot of things, but you are not going to make money unless you implement them. So all you need to do is what? Implement what I have taught you. Everything I taught you is very, very simple. I've done 90% of these things I'm teaching you. And if you do it, you are sure to make at least 300,000 a month. I didn't want to come up with a boring video, so I decided to come up with something you can do while you are watching the video. Start doing it from this evening. Start calling people. I want sell that your physical product. People that sell stuff. Get people to buy, collect your cut, and as simple as that. Now, lastly, I have a Telegram community where I share free tips about money, how to make money, how to grow your money, how to manage your money, all in this Telegram community. If you trade, if you are into crypto, I drop a whole lot of crypto stuff. You might want to call it signals. I tell you coins to buy at pre-sale, and then you make a whole lot of money. So everything is just in this Telegram community, and I have thousands of people in this community. So if you want to join, the link is in the description. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification, because I'm going to drop a new video very, very soon. All right, stay jiggy, guys.